What's going on, everybody? How we doing out there? It's Happy Friday. Pandora here, the Postcard Diva. I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, welcome back. All right, we're back. Hope you had a great week, guys. All right. Now, before we get into anything, I want to make sure you guys have checked out my other projects to see what I've got going on. Make sure you go here to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Peruse around the page and check us out. All right. Now, today I'm not going to be before you long, hopefully, but I want to show you a tool that I'm using, a platform, an emailing platform I'm using in order to receive 100 business opportunity leads a day. You can receive 100 to 200 business opportunity leads a day. You don't need a website. You don't have to do paid traffic with this. It's going to cost you $1 a day. All right. You get this done for you emailing platform, and you can grab yours today. All right. So let's talk about it here really quickly. Again, we're not here to make any income claims. We can't make any guarantees. All right. So make sure you know that you got to put some work in here in order to get results. All right. That's the disclaimer. All right. Now let's show you the system really quick here. This one right here has been around since 2019. This program is pretty cool. It's a platform right here. This is not going to interfere with anything you're doing, because what you're going to do is use this system right here and send out emails every day from their platform. Okay, nothing to download, any of that. You just log in, send an email to the list of leads that they give you, and you're going to promote to them whatever your business opportunity is, right? Whatever that is. So let's go over just a little bit. So you get 100 leads every day, $1 a day. All right, so it's going to be $30 a month. Okay, and then there's a one-time $30 setup fee. All right, so today if you decided, hey, you know, I want to get that, well, it's going to cost you $60. $30 goes towards your monthly, right? Your $1 a day. That's going to give you 3,000 leads a month. All right, $60 today, and they're going to send you 100 leads today. You can start using this immediately. Okay, this is my lead gen secret. So you're going to get 100 drip fed business opportunity seeker email subscribers into your contact list every 24 hours. Okay, that's 7 days a week. You get this done for you emailing platform. Is spam compliant, because these folks have given permission. They've raised their hand and said, hey, I'm interested in making money online, becoming an affiliate. All right. So send me emails of different offers. All right. So you don't have to worry about that. And you're going to also be eligible to earn $5 a month per person that purchases the My Lead Gen Secret from your link. So that's residual income, as long as they keep their subscription here. They also have what they call a $100 bonus. For every 5 customers you refer within a week time, they will send you a $100 check. It could be a check, or you can request to be paid in PayPal or Bitcoin. Is that cool or what? All right. Now, for the fast action takers, they have the affiliate program, and it goes down 5 levels. $5 a month, okay, on your direct level, and then it's $4, $3, $2, and $1, all the way down 5 levels of referral commissions you can earn referring others to this system. All right, and this is one of the pages I'm on that you'll have access to as well, that you can promote this business. Okay, all right, now let's take a look. So we're in, you'll have it's a login. It's like a dashboard. You log into it. When you log in, as you can see right here, it tells you right here, this is the system. So you log in. The first thing you want to do is go right here where it says Quick Start Video. Learning how to quickly and easily use this system. All right, need help setting up your account? That's what they're talking about here. Then they have a support, online resources, and they do answer their emails pretty much within 24 hours. Within that time frame, you submit a ticket, you're going to get a response back in 24 hours. I've used them. It works. I've asked a question, and they got back with me within 24 hours. All right, then we talked about the affiliate program. Now, you can double your leads for life and make recurring income. We talked about that. Double your leads. What do you mean? Well, you start out with 100, but once you get one referral, one person can join you in this program. You're going to earn $5 from them month after month, long as they keep the membership, right? Subscription. Then the company is going to double your leads. You're going to go from the 100 leads a day to 200 leads a day. Awesome. So as you can see right here, I got my bonus leads. So I'm receiving 200. As long as you just have one person that signed up with you, you'll continue to get 200 leads. Okay? So this is the system. We're in it. Right here, I can click my leads. And as you can see, I have my leads. Look, 200, 200, 200, 200, all the way down. Right? So I received mine today. Now, what are you going to receive? I'm not going to click it, but right here, you see this look like a little eyeball? The leads will include the first name, the last name, the IP address, and what country they're from. Okay? That's what you're going to get. When you click that and you open it up, you'll see the person's first name, last name, and the IP address in the country. Okay? So these are business opportunity leads, real leads, okay? Now, what else do they have in here? They have also, we just go across, you click here, master email swipes. You can get, for $30, they offer you these done-for-you email swipes that you can use to send out in your emails. As you can see right here, see here's one, email number 1. If you decide you want to do this, it's 30 of them here. They're already laid out for you. All you would have to do is click import, and it will go into the system, and you would just send out your information. But you want to make sure you put the link of the program you're promoting in there, though, right? All right, whatever program you're promoting. So that is optional. You don't have to get that. But if you decide you want to join, and you don't have the extra 30, because remember you're going to be spending 60 to get started. This will be in addition to. If you don't have any emails, or you have a hard time trying to figure out, well, how do I get emails? I'll be happy to send you some. Okay? Because I'm going to show you the system I'm using to get all my emails created. All right, so we'll get into that. So then you got your mailing system, right? This is where you actually going to send the emails from. So you're going to log in every day. You're going to click mailing system. Then you're going to come right here. If you click select all your leads, they will go over to the right over here. You see I have 131,000 leads, right? And it says it's going to come from me, so they know I'm a real person. Then right here, your subject, you just paste your subject in there. Right? And then right here, you can address the leads by the first name, last name, etc. I use first name. Copy that. You come down here just like a regular email. Take all this out. And you paste your email in there. You can set up your font, all of that, right? Just like a regular Gmail. You type it in there, and you see I can't send another one out because I sent mine earlier this morning. But you paste it in there, guys, and then you come over here. You'll see, once this passes, you'll see it'll say send email. And you just hit that button, and it automatically goes to all your leads at one time. And then 24 hours later, you can do the same thing again. Okay? Is that cool? It's a great way to get traffic to whatever business opportunity you're promoting. Because without traffic, you have no business. If you're not getting people to take a look at your website, right? You're not in business. You can join a business, sign up, get the best system in the world. But if you don't have people looking at it, you need eyeballs. That's traffic, right? Whether it's paid or free, organic traffic, you got to get people there. So this is a method. One of the methods I'm using, sending out these emails once a day. All right? So you can check that out. My link is in the description. Or you can come back over here to coffeeandcoins.info and see right here it says, send me 100 leads a day. You click that and you'll come over to my page like this. And all you have to do is come down here and sign up. Very simple. Very, 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 very simple. Okay? That's it, guys. Now, I am using the Home Business Academy over here. I'm getting my emails from the Home Business Academy. I'm using one of the AI-powered tools that's in my membership. I'm going to get into that in a second. But before we do, I'm in my Home Business Academy system, and this quote pops up. I love to get these quotes every day, different quotes. And inheritance is what you leave to someone. A legacy is what you leave in someone. Woo, that's powerful. By Kristen Thomas. So I'm in, this is the Home Business Academy. So I got that quote. That's pretty cool, powerful. But let's log in so I can show you. I come over here every day. As you can see, it says congratulations because I've completed my personal development goals for today. All right, that's the Let's Go app, personal development. All right, it's only $10 for this little app here. By the way, while I'm in here, let's finish them out. So it's telling me I've completed them, but let me go here. Here are some tasks that I like to complete every day. So I'm going to click them off, make a video. All right, so you heard that, and it's saying, woohoo, you completed all your tasks. Cool. So under premium, all right, is where I go every morning. And I come over here to Premium Tools and I click on Prompt Write AI. Did you see that? What does it say? AI writing assistance for content creation. Okay, I come over here and I ask the Prompt Write AI to create me some emails that I can use over here in this system. Of course, I have these swipes that I purchased from the company, but I want to do some different ones, right? So you want to be creative. So every day, I don't have to do it every day now because I've created like 30. I'll go in here and I may do 30, and that way I've got 30 to, you know, to choose from, to select from. But I come over here and because I do use this for the My Legion secret, but I also use it for my list. If I want to send out an email to my subscribers, or if I want to make a post and I can't think of what I want to post, you know, I can come over here to the Prompt Write AI. All right, so for example, right here, I think this is the one I'm using. Is that it? Might be this one. Okay, see how these emails, I've created 30. Okay, just come over here and I ask the Prompt Write AI to help me create an email. So for example, I will come over here, I create that, and see here's one. Do you feel behind? I would just copy that in the subject, right? It says subject. I go back over here and I will come down here, right? I select my emails. I've already done it for today, remember, so I can't do it again, but I'm just showing you how simple it is to do so. Why is it not going over there? All of these, hold on. Hang on one second. Okay, so if I wanted to do one, so I select all my emails, I come down here, right? Subject, I'm going to paste it, boom, right? And I want to address my leads by their first name. So I come down here, I'm going to take all this out, and then I'm going to paste. I'm going to address them by the first name. I'm going to say hello, right? And remember, they provide us with first name, last name, right? So I'm going to address them by the first name, and then I'm going to continue. I'm going to go back over here to my Home Business Academy Premium Okay, and I'm going to click on Prompt Write AI, remember? So I got the subject. Now I want to copy the rest of this. Copy, paste. And I'm going to put it in here. This is what I do, guys. Put it in here. I want to make this bigger. I'm just going to change the font, just like sending a regular email. Very simple, right? Move this over. And I'm going to sign it with my name. I can't send it because I already sent one, but I'm just showing you guys how simple it is. And then what I'll do, because I'm using this to promote the Home Business Academy, by the way. And you can set up several of these accounts. I plan on setting up a second My Legion Secret account for another program that I'm promoting. But this particular account, I want to just send emails to promote Home Business Academy, right? So I'm spacing this down. As you can see, I'm not doing anything. I'm just giving it a little space here, right? All right, well, I'm going to move this one up, and then I'm going to move this one down. All right, so I just copy pasted that. Now I need my Home Business Academy sales page, which is this page right here, right? I will copy this. This is all, I'll copy that page, that link right here. We got a turnkey system, by the way, done for you capture pages. So when you join me in Home Business Academy, you don't even have to set up any funnels initially. They have a done for you system already ready to go. So anyway, these are leads, so I'm just going to send them straight to that page. So I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to, when they click this right here, it says start the right thing. I want them to go there. And I'm going to paste the link right in there. Boom. See that? Enter. See? Now, of course, I can't do it. See, it says I've got 10 hours to wait. But that's all you have to do. All right, and I send that out. And then 24 hours later, I can do it again. They're going to give me 200 more leads to send them to. All right? You'll start out with 100. But this is a great way to get eyeballs on your opportunity. My Legion Secret. All right, so you can get started today. Again, all you got to do is go here to www.coffeeandcoins.info or go to the link in the description that I placed in the description. All right, and then again, if you want to start over here with the Home Business Academy, all right, where you can get traffic, training, coaching, the whole nine. This is the training hub. All right, for any business you're promoting, you come here, you get trained. All right, if you're ready to get started here, I'm going to put the link in the description for that as well. You can get started over here, guys, for as low as 10 bucks. All right, but a great system, 10 years solid. All right, but in order to get this Prompt Write AI, you're going to need to be a premium member. All right, so that's it. That's all. Told you I'm going to keep it short, but wanted you to see this tool that I'm using for a measly $1 a day. Go check it out. Remember, you can use this for whatever business you're promoting. I'm showing you what I'm doing. The Home Business Academy, My Legion Secret. All right? So, go check it out. Link is in the description. coffeeandcoins.info. But make sure before you get out of here, you like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload the videos. Till next time, guys, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.